Hello there. I understand just how painful and distressing it can be to wake up in the middle of the night with a sudden cramp. Today, I would like to explain, in a very simple and friendly way, how to relieve that cramp in just 5 seconds and what habits you can adopt to prevent it from happening again. Because the pain is so intense, many people instinctively react in certain ways. But I must warn you that some of these habits can actually be dangerous. First, please do not massage the affected area forcefully. Since your muscle is already severely contracted, pressing down hard can lead to inflammation in the blood vessels and muscles. Next, please do not pull your toes back forcefully. If you pull them too hard in a rush to stop the cramp, you risk rupturing your Achilles tendon. Next, please do not just stay in bed and endure the pain. Waiting for it to pass on its own can further block blood flow,
which only prolongs the spasm and can even lead to muscle damage. When you get a cramp, please try to stay calm and follow these simple steps.
First, get out of bed and stand facing a wall. Next, place both hands on the wall for support and step the leg that has the cramp backward. Next, keep your heel firmly planted on the floor and slowly shift your body weight forward. Next, hold this position for about 10 to 15 seconds. You will find that the contracted muscle is forced to relax and the pain will soon subside. Please remember this: keeping your heel on the floor and leaning your body forward is the key.
However, if the cramp does not go away after 5 minutes, or if your leg changes color or swells only on one side, it may not be a simple cramp, so you must visit a hospital. If you remember these 4 simple things every night before bed, your legs will feel much more comfortable.
First, drink a small glass of lukewarm water. Adding just a tiny pinch of natural sea salt to the water helps significantly with maintaining hydration. Next, eat half a banana. Eating half a banana 2 to 3 hours before bed is effective for preventing muscle spasms, thanks to its potassium content. And please avoid coffee and green tea. After 6 p.m., caffeine acts as a diuretic, robbing your body of moisture and making you more prone to cramps at night. Furthermore, try doing the wall stretch for 1 minute before bed. If you consistently do this for 30 seconds per leg, you will definitely feel a real difference. Also, wear loose-fitting cotton socks to bed. Keeping your feet warm helps reduce cramps, but please remember to take off any compression stockings before you sleep.
Sometimes what you think is a simple cramp can actually be a signal from your body indicating a different health issue.
If one leg is severely swollen and reddened, it could be a sign of venous thrombosis. And if your leg turns pale or bluish, you should suspect an arterial issue. And also, if you continue to feel tingling or numbness even after the cramp is resolved, it may be due to a disc issue or spinal stenosis. If your legs feel heavy and painful even when you do not have a cramp, you should check for varicose veins or potential heart function issues.
To summarize what we covered today, do not massage the area when a cramp occurs, and instead use the wall stretch method to lengthen your calf.
Also, remember to have a glass of water, half a banana, and 1 minute of stretching before you sleep.
If you just keep these in mind, it will be more than enough. I am rooting for your healthy night's sleep. Thank you.